Welcome to Platform Demos. In this episode, we're going to focus on the appointment scheduler application. If your business provides any types of services that people would want to book appointments for, this is the application for you. To access it, log into your platform and click on Appointments right here. Once the application is live, you have a couple different options of what you can look at within the platform here. So for the dashboard, it's going to show you how many new users you have, what orders you have on pending, how many sales you have, your star ratings, etc. So just a nice breakdown of how your appointments are kind of working out for you. The great thing about a system like this as well is it allows you to be able to create a booking page that you can link to from your website or embed in your website so that people can come in and actually book appointments right from your website, as well as be able to pay for those services up front or after their appointment. As you can see, you grab this little iframe right here and you can put it anywhere on your website that you want to drive new appointments from. Come into the branding and you can select how you want your web page to look, company details, office hours, etc. Let's say that you have somebody that sits at the front desk of your location and books appointments for your users. In the calendar section, you can come in and see the calendar of any one of your employees and book right through the platform. You can also see it in group calendar view by clicking group calendar and be able to book appointments for any one of your employees right through the platform just by clicking on the time frame that they want to book that for. It's got a bunch of reports that you can run as well, including upcoming bookings to see what you have coming up, canceled bookings to see where you might be losing some money, charge now history, and any invoices that have been sent out and paid. It also comes with a basic CRM functionality where you can actually see your customers that you have within your organization. You can see how many appointments they've had, if they've had canceled appointments, and their total spend right through the platform. In the services, you can add or edit your services very quickly and easily. Adding a service, there are a number of different options you have. You can select out call, in call, virtual call, however you might want to service your clients. And then you can select what team members you're going to have performing those specific services. Once you've done that, you can select if you want people to prepay. And if you click prepay, it's going to actually allow them to input their credit card information before they can book the appointment. They can pay later on site, or you can set up free appointments as well. You can set the duration for that appointment right here, and then what that cost will be, as well as what the service will be called and a description of that service. You can also set up reward and discount programs as well, loyalty programs or new user programs, or you can create discount codes that people can use when they're booking an appointment with you to get a discount on their service. Those are the big parts of this platform that we want to show you today. There's a lot of functionality here. It really helps organize your appointments into a much more centralized and easy to view and manage system. Want to learn more about this tool? Click the link in the video description and schedule a product tour today.